Hi. Hi, this is my family hanging out while I work on a Saab.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And hit him up, Mr. Know-It-All. Cryptocurrency boy over here. Okay, we got the dashboard, guys. Looking pretty good. Now we're just gonna remove everything and then clean up all the glue and marker that's on the dashboard. There you go, guys. Put some nails in there, organize it, pops right out.
Get rid of that crap.
Alright, just so you review this, you watch me struggle here. This cover on this, on the steering wheel cover needs to come off first. Screw here, screw there, 2 screws up there, 2 screws down here, 1 screw up there, and it all slides out. So now what I'm gonna do, since the previous owner colored that in, is I'm gonna go around to each component and clean them off because they all have some marker or glue and some glue here, and make it nice and clean, and then we'll reinstall cautiously this new panel. So I'm gonna put you on a hold on this camera and go ahead and clean everything. All right, so the trick here that I forgot earlier, which was the struggle, was you have to remove these switches here. I had to remove all of this to be able to line up the HVAC and pop it in place. So now I'm just reinstalling and should be good. All right, so next up here, we got the dash panel in, as you saw, and we're gonna put a new shift slider boot on, so the car is complete. Check out the Casey boy. Casey boy. Casey boy's just hanging out. What's up, buddy? All right, so interior is complete. Next thing up on this car is we were throwing a code for the temp sensor, and the temp sensor actually was losing, you know, the gauge was actually going down, so we were actually losing signal to it. So the sensor is no good, and the sensor, so you know, is all located right over here. Let me just pull you off the camera mount here. So the temp sensor is right over here, guys, right there. So we got to get to it with a wrench. It's not going to be fun, but we'll get it through this side. We'll go around that side. So let's get it. We made a mess here. We released the hose right from here, and then we take a 12 millimeter socket here, remove this, okay? Just be careful. Make sure you note that there's washers on each side to make sure that's secure. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the sensor. All right, that concludes this phase of the Saab project on this 03 convertible. As you can see, we got the entire inside completed. It looks brand new. New shift cover, new dash panel. All right, so we're back in there. Everything's back installed. To remove that, just take a 3/4 inch deep socket or something to it to get over the sensor, and it should pull. It pulls right out. It's not that hard. All right, so the last thing I did there is I rinsed the antifreeze off to make sure the car doesn't reek like it. And now we're just gonna dry the car up. Is run it till it runs warm, so we can top off the fluid. Okay, so this sensor is working. The temp gauge is at normal, and it's been cooling, so that means that this is dropped, which it did, and we can refill that. And it looks like everything in here dried, and it is not leaking, which means I did my job. So I'm gonna turn it off, let that cool off a little bit, and then we'll fill it up with fluid. All right, that concludes this phase of the Saab project on this 03 convertible. As you can see, we got the entire inside completed. It looks brand new. New shift cover, new dash panel. Continuing around the back here, we reinstalled new emblems, so nice and fresh there. And in the front, as you can see, we topped off our coolant, ready to roll. Put on a new emblem there. So it is looking good. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here and you want to support it, please hit that subscribe button. Give me some feedback down below, and I will see you guys next time, because the next phase on this project, which is going to probably be in a couple videos from now, is we're going to remove this and repaint it, because I sanded through some of the paint trying to clean up some of the old clear coat. So we're gonna repaint it, re-clear coat it. So stay tuned. Thank you. I will see you next time. So before we conclude this video, I wanted to bring you to my new website, vehiclechief.com. On my channel here, on this website, we'll be providing the tools and accessories used on the channel, some of my consulting services. On the right here, you'll find a link for my blogs, which will be featuring news, industry news and blogs, and then of course more of my reviews. Down at the bottom, you can find more about myself, how I got into the car world as an enthusiast, what my do-it-yourself videos are about, and of course you can follow me on Instagram at Pancis, where you can see my daily updates. I want to thank you for watching this video and look forward to more of your support. I want to see your face, smile more when I feel love, smile less when I need to let go, smile less when I let go, but you all won't fall. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and a week and never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still that's so far away.
Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby.